fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm so excited to share with you today that I finished something. So here are the leftover drills. As you can see, I didn't run out of anything, and I did use up quite a bit of drills. This kit was 56 by 84, somewhere in there. And what kit was it? It is my Rainbow Dragon Hugging Cat that I was doing for DP for Pets and for Pride. I finished it. So I had plenty of colors left over. I am going to look and see if I can use any of these in my Mermaid Heaven and Earth design. I'm also going to save any of the leftover ABs because I think I had 5 ABs or something like that, 4 ABs and a couple of fairy dust. So I'll be saving all of those and adding those into my spare drill, special drill storage. And for as big as this kit was, it had almost no trash. That's all the trash that I had. Some pieces and parts, you can see little flakes, that sort of thing. Several of them were just in the wrong color, so they get thrown in there. But that's all for the trash. So even though this is an older Diamond Art Club, still really, really good quality. So let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. Like I said, this one is kind of big, so I will take some B-roll so that you guys can see everything up close. But super, super happy with how this one came out. There were so many things that I enjoyed about this kit. I did enjoy all of the background. I enjoyed the color blocking more than I thought I would. And I did save the dragon until last, so it made it kind of enjoyable because I would just do all of the black outlining as I got to that section, and then I would fill everything in. And lots of cool colors. This green right here is one of the fairy dust, and the white on the cat's face and paws is a fairy dust. And then of course you've got yellow and red right here in the dragon, the little fire colors coming off of its little mane, and then the feathers and everything down at the bottom of it, its wings and the feathers coming off of its tail. Just super, super cute. I started out with the pink at the bottom, and then I worked my way up to the yellow and the blue, and just again super happy with how this came out. So this one took me about 31 hours to do, roughly. It did go a lot faster than I thought it would. There is a lot of color blocking with the purple color of the dragon, which at the end of it I kind of got to be a drag for me. There's probably more color blocking in this than I am generally comfortable with, but there was enough confetti mixed in that it made up for it, so it all worked out. Like I said, I did this one for Pride and for DP for Pets, so if you're not done with your DP for Pets kit, don't worry, you still have until the end of June to finish it. But because I managed to finish this one, I'm going to move on to other things, I think. I want to finish up Benedict Blue, I want to finish up Slow Jazz, and then hopefully if I can get both of those finished by the end of the month, I want to start trying to finish a project from last year. So we'll see how things go for me. This is the second purple dragon that I have done from this particular artist, Dragons and Beasties. The first one I did was called Fiona Butterfly Dragon, and that particular kit had glow-in-the-dark drills, so it was kind of fun. I did go in the closet to take a picture of it so I could show you guys the glow-in-the-dark drills, but it was fun. I did enjoy diamond painting the little cat more than I thought I would, so there's that. And overall, just a really enjoyable experience, guys. I don't have a whole lot to say other than that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you done anything by Dragon and Beasties, or have you had your eye on something by this particular artist? Love to know what you think. This one was a quick and dirty one, I guess, you guys. So that's it for me. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.